Hello everyone, this is Rick Darlington. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to end a test to Lightworks. The Lightworks is one of the best free video editing programs with Windows, Mac and Linux. You could use it completely for free. But remember, with the free version you could only export it to MP4 video format. Now let's just get started about how to end a test to Lightworks. First of all, you need to end a video file to the software. To end a video file, just go to the libraries on the left side and then find the local files. Here you could find the places. You could select one or video file from your computer or from your desktop. Here I just select the desktop. You could also move it a little bit. If you remember the name of the video file, you could just type the name. For example, I have a video called Hello Sunshine. Just type this name, and there just you could drag the video to the timeline of the Lightworks. So this is the timeline of the Lightworks video editor. You could move the play hand anywhere and to the place where you want to end the test. Also, you could just find this is the preview window. Now, to end the test into Lightworks, just go to the VFX and there find this called Add New Effects. Here you could find lots of different pre-installed video effects. Here just select the test and you can see a variety of the test effects. Just select one of them and for example I just choose let me check, choose this one, select it and then drag it to the timeline of the Lightworks. After that you could just end the title. You could also just drag it to the beginning part of the interface, and after that you could just type the title. For example, here I just type the Hello Sunshine, Hello Sunshine, and could also use a description or subhandle. For example, it is a beautiful day. Okay. Now you could also just change the font of the test and a bold or just remove it, as well as changing the size on opacity, as well as change the position or enter a shadow for your test. Even you could also enter fade or fade out effects for your test. Now after everything is done, you could just go back to the timeline and there could move the display hand. If you find the test is a little bit small, you could change the size and I just mentioned. So this is very easy about how to end the test to Lightworks.